Welcome to Vision Academy. Today we are going to explore one of the most exciting tools in the world of artificial intelligence. The tool is called Pouyo AI, and it is being talked about as one of the best AI image-to-video generators in 2025. In this video, I will give you a complete review of Pouyo AI, show you how it works step by step, and guide you through the process of creating your own videos just like the one you are about to see. So let's have a look at the video generated with Pouyo AI. Pretty amazing, right? Now in this tutorial, you will learn how to create this exact type of video from scratch. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will explain everything slowly and clearly so you can follow along. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type Pouyo AI in the search bar. Press enter and click on the official link that appears at the top of the search results. This will take you to the home page of the Pouyo AI website. On the top right-hand side, you will see a login button. Click on it. Here you will get a few options. You can sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, or you can simply type your email and password to log in. To make things simple, I will click on the Login with Google button. Once you are logged in, you will land on your dashboard. On this page, you will see a button that says, Generate AI Video. Go ahead and click on it. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see there are several models available. By default, Pouyo AI will select a model called Pouyo 1.6. I will keep Pouyo 1.6 selected for this tutorial because it gives great results. Now, before we upload an image into Pouyo AI, we actually need to create an image first. For that, we will use a combination of ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Let me show you how. Open a new tab in your browser and go to ChatGPT. In the text box, type this prompt. Give me the prompt to generate an image on kite surfing or windsurfing. Then click the Submit button. ChatGPT will generate a very descriptive prompt for you. Copy that prompt because we are going to use it in the next step. Now open another tab and search for Gemini AI. Click on the official link to open Gemini. Log in with your Google account. If you have never used Gemini before, you may need to sign up first, but it's very quick and easy. Once you are logged in, go back to the ChatGPT tab, copy the prompt it gave you, and come back to Gemini. Paste the prompt into the Gemini text box that says, Ask Gemini, and then hit the Submit button. Gemini will process the request and generate a beautiful image for you. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the image is generated, click on the Download button to save it onto your computer. Now we have the image ready. Let's go back to Pouyo AI. On the Pouyo AI interface, click on Upload Image and select the image you just downloaded. You will also see a text box for entering a prompt. This is optional. If you want to add extra details or instructions, you can type them here. For this tutorial, I will leave it empty and continue. Now scroll down a little and you will notice two modes, Basic and Pro. I will keep the Basic mode selected. Below that, there is a toggle option that says Generate Audio. If you want to create a video with audio, you can switch it on. But for now, I will keep this option turned off because I only want the video. Next, select the video length. You can choose either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I will go with 5 seconds to make the generation faster. After that, choose how many output videos you want. You can select 1, 2, 3, or 4. I will keep it at 1 for now. Under Advanced Options, you can set the resolution. The available options are 480p, 720p, or 1080p. For this demo, I will select 480p. This will generate faster and still give us a good preview. Keep the rest of the settings as they are, and then click on the button that says Create. Now we wait while Pouyo AI does its magic. Depending on your image and internet speed, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the video is created, it will appear on the screen. Click on the preview button to watch it. If you like the result, you can download the video onto your computer by clicking on the download button. If you don't like it, you can tweak the settings, adjust your prompt, or upload a new image and try again. And now, here is the video that Pouyo AI generated for us. Pretty impressive, right? The movement looks natural, the transitions are smooth, and the overall effect is quite professional considering it was made from just a single image. This is why Pouyo AI is quickly becoming one of the most talked about AI tools in 2025. It gives creators, marketers, and everyday users the power to transform static images into short videos that grab attention. Just imagine the possibilities. You can create promotional clips, social media content, story videos, or even concept animations, all without needing advanced video editing skills. Before we end, let's recap the process one more time. First, we logged into Pouyo AI. Then we generated a creative prompt using ChatGPT. Next, we used Gemini AI to create an image based on that prompt. We downloaded the image, uploaded it into Pouyo AI, adjusted the settings, and clicked on Create. Within a few seconds, Pouyo AI generated a professional-looking video that we were able to preview and download. So that is the complete review and tutorial of Pouyo AI, the best AI image-to-video generator in 2025. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Vision Academy, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.